In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make custom moveset in Strongest Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You have the option to use the skill builder to make custom skills and movesets in the Strongest Battlegrounds. Sadly, this is going to require Private Server Plus, and of course you can only do it in a private server. So when you join a private server, you can go over to the settings. In here you will have a lot of options, and if you keep scrolling down, you will eventually come across the build mode and skill builder. So under the map category, you will have both of these options. So if you want to make a custom moveset, click on skill builder. Now, like I said before, it is going to require private servers plus, so I'm not going to be able to show it fully in game, but I'm still going to demonstrate how you can create a skill. So when you choose skill builder, if you have private server plus, you will see this screen, and in here you can create multiple custom skills. So you will have each build labeled as 1, 2, 3, and so on, and all that you have to do to add a new one is to give it a random name and a cooldown. So attribute a cooldown in seconds, and then a random name. Then choose the plus sign to create a new build. When you first choose the plus sign, the timeline will appear. In here is where you can assign a skill. So once again, click the plus sign, and now you will see this interface. In here you can choose from any of the skills available in the game, and choose a custom animation for your skill. So select the skill itself and then the animation, otherwise it will be left on default. And then you can change stuff like the speed of the animation, the speed of the attack to balance it out. So if it is a very powerful attack, you might want to decrease the speed and animation so it has a lot of build up and a lot of power at the end. Or if it is a quick jab, you might want to increase these. Anyways, determine whatever you like, and it is going to be used here on the timeline. You can add different skills, and then once it is saved, you will have the build option at the bottom. So choose build, and it is going to be saved into the Strongest Battlegrounds. Now you have to enter build mode. So once again, in the settings icon, go all the way down and then find build mode. And once you enter build mode, you will have to place down a block. So place down a block or a cube somewhere on the map, it doesn't matter. And you will be assigning the moveset parameter to this block. So after that is done, click on the block, go over to tools, then you will find behavior or moveset modifier, and then you can choose any of the moves that you have. So the custom moves are going to appear on this list, and you will also see the default ones. So all that you have to do is assign a moveset modifier, including your particular move, onto the cube. And now after you spawn the cube, go ahead and touch it on the map and you will get the custom move. Now before I end this video, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our channel are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best quality videos about Roblox. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.